Well, what would you tell MedTech and bio companies who are considering founding their companies in Houston about the current ecosystem here and maybe a little bit about your experience in the medical center?
Yeah. Well, doing it in Houston is not as easy as doing it on the East or the West Coast because there's more money in those areas. However, Houston is the largest medical center in the world and some of the greatest technology and innovations. So first you have to find the technology here, and you could be a scientist or an inventor at Houston Methodist or at MD Anderson and developing something novel and innovative. You would have to go through the tech transfer process, patent your technology, and then of course, if you want to start a company, you have to identify investors, and that's where it comes to being able to sell the science. Hopefully, you have some data that is compelling. Make the agreements and relationships work with your early stage investors, and then of course incubate your company. And there's a lot of work that's involved there. But I am, we're proof that you can do it, and you can start from scratch, and you can take it all the way through to an IPO. And so if there's any way that I can share my experience, or we could share our experience collectively, we'd be happy to help the ecosystem here, because it's Houston, and that's where we grew up, and sort of any way that people can leverage our successes, so it would be great.